So now that guy on the ATV right there, uh-oh, he's coming back. I hope he's not coming back for me. She's just scared me. I honestly thought he was coming back here to talk to me because I just finished filming about all these sketchy men, and this guy, he doesn't speak hardly any English at all, maybe 10 words max. And he comes over to me and in very broken English, he asks me, he says to me, "I like you." Oh, like, wow. So he doesn't know anything about my personality. I mean, I could be some, anyways, you get it. Knows nothing about me. So for him to say, "I like you," it just means he's lusting over me. Period. Now, if I can just get it to stop spinning. Okay. So when Dean came in right there and crossed over, that's not where you enter the park. Right here is where you enter the park, and that road leads out of Davillon Park, and going this way it goes into the residence of Davillon Park. So yeah, what a rebel. Beautiful. Let's see over here. Oh, it's a bird. At that, eh? Just beautiful. Who would spray paint a tree? Like, oh my. Ridiculous. They're literally all over the van. They're everywhere. You know, look at there, and even crawling in my windows, and they're landing on me right now as I speak. So So it's Saturday, October 15th, 12:30, and I'm just sitting here editing a video. Well, I'm trying to, because it's such a beautiful sunny day, and it's only one of the few that remain. This definitely would be my last time here this season. Time for change. That's what the leaves are telling us anyways, right? Either way, it's a beautiful day. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. So this is a moment of gratitude. I have no cream for tomorrow's coffee. And Dean brings me 9 little containers of 18% creamers. Feeling grateful. Thank you, Dean. While the water's still hot, I'm going to wash my hair because the sun just went in and it's going to be gone for a while, so it's not hot, it's not warm, it's cool. I guess that's better than cold. Whoa. It's funny, the last time I washed my hair at the potable water station where you get potable water, yeah, I washed my hair there. Gotta do what you gotta do sometime. But anyways, I was wearing the same outfit. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So this must be my hair washing clothes. Oh my God, that's cold. Woo. Ooh, it's hard in the back though. Oh, feels like the sun. Ooh, I wasn't expecting it to come out. Beautiful. I can feel it on my back. Oh, this is awesome. No, it's only out for a second, but it feels awesome. Thank you. Oh, this shampoo is out. Good job. Woo. Yeah, it's pretty windy. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to have a fire tonight. Ooh, it's a shame. I was really looking forward to it. There we go. Oh, I feel like a new woman. I don't need electricity to blow dry my hair like this. Oh, thank God the sun is coming back out. I thought it was going to be gone for a while. Okay. That will put like highlights in my hair. Mother Nature is looking after me for that. One of the elements, wind. Thank you. Thank you, Mother Earth. So I'm just going to go for a walk and finish drying my hair and do a little bit of grounding. What's that? Okay. So here's the moshadera. It's really, really delicious. And my caramelized onions. And it's really hard to believe that that is 3 onions. There's hardly anything there. But look at this. It's just so serene to me. Beautiful. Look at how beautiful. Yes, I'm feeling so grateful. Look at that. I just love it. It's 5 p.m. and it's still too windy to have a fire. What the? What a coincidence. What are you doing? I'm gonna get out of his way. Hi, Dean. I hope he's not gonna do what he did yesterday, because I think he'll probably get stuck today. Oh, you did this? What the heck?
Wait for that. Hey, camera.
Now that's how you make an entry.
Okay, I'm off.
Okay, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
See what I'm looking at, you, Dean.